What is up? Welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. My name's Sam and you're watching my YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I've been away for so long. I had family issues going on. School is almost done, so I'll have more time to film. Let's see what else. My eye is like constantly tearing. I'm not sure. I have to go get that checked out. But yeah, I am back. I do have like a little bit of a different setup. At the moment, I have a ring light, which I just bought. I have an SD card for my camera, but my camera is currently dead. So I'm still filming on the iPad, but that's okay. We're just gonna get started in today's video. For today's video, I thought I'd keep it nice, chill, and relaxed. So I figured I'd do a unboxing of the Influenster boxes. I did get another box. I've had this box for almost a month now. So I've been testing out all the products. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. So when you open the box up, everything's kind of not like nice and neat anymore just because I've been using it, but this is what it looks like on the inside. You get you get 4 cards, and you get a total of 5 items in this box. By the way, Influencer is 100% free to sign up, free to use, and when you get the boxes, they are 100% free. You don't pay for shipping, you don't pay for the products, you don't get paid to say these are great. They're your own personal opinions. Like, if you have this box, some of the products you might not like, where some of the products I do like. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and continue on. So the first card that you get, you always get this in a box. This is the hashtag bossbabevoxbox. That is what you're going to use on all your social media. That hashtag, you're going to tag influencer and you're going to just talk about your products. And these are all the products that you get. They also have the prices, so if you film YouTube videos like I do, you can talk to your audience about the prices and all that good stuff. The next thing I got was this little card. It kind of just talks about one of the products, so I'll get into it more when I get to that product. And the same thing goes for this one. And these just have like the shade names of the colors. And the last thing I have is this special delivery. A special delivery from Taste of Home, deliver courtesy kitchen gadgets, products, and recipes right to your door every season. And I'm supposed to like tell you guys about this, but I'm not sure how it works. I've used this before. Comment down below what they're all about. I'm kind of interested. There is a code, but I think the code's for me. I'm not sure. But let me know if you guys have used Simply Delivery from Taste of Home. And let me know what you guys thought and what stuff you got in your box. So we're just gonna now jump into the products. Here's like a little sneak peek. So the first thing we'll talk about, because I have the card, are these Eva NYC temporary color sprays. These are what they look like. To get them out, all you have to do is use shampoo. I did test these out. I put these in my hair, then I took a shower, and all the color came right out in the shower. I didn't have any residue left over. And I do have, as you can see, dark hair. So these did show up on my hair. I believe the pink one showed up a little brighter than the blue. I'm not sure. But I did kind of like mix them together. Like I sprayed the pink and then I sprayed the purple or the blue, and it kind of made like a purpley color. So they have 3 colors. I'm not sure if they have more, but these were the 3 that you could have got. Like you could have got any of these. So I got Pink Crush and what's the other one? Blue Haze. And the purple one is Purple Dream, and the purple honestly looks so pretty. But yeah, I definitely recommend these for like little kids if they have crazy hair day, or if you're going to like a sports event and your team colors are like blue, or I know some school colors are purple. So I think these are really cool. They aren't permanent, they're definitely temporary, and they are reasonably priced. These retail for $10, and I believe they're sold at Target from what I've learned about these. So I definitely would pick these up. If they have more colors besides pink, purple, and blue, which are my favorite colors by the way, then comment that down below as well. I'm kind of curious if they have like greens and yellows and stuff like that. But this was the first product. The next product I got were these Nature Bounty hair, skin, nail gummies. These are what they look like. I have been using these. These are what the little gummies look like. They're not anything special. I've been using these for a while. What I did was before I started using these, I cut my nails just so I could kind of like test like the theory out. And my nails did grow back faster than they normally do. But I did recently like cut them and bite them, and I have to stop doing that. But yes, I definitely recommend these. There is 2 grams of sugar in it, and there is gelatin in it. So if you are like iffy about that stuff, then I wouldn't recommend these to you. But there's, I don't think anything else that you should be worried about. Maybe I'm wrong, but I definitely recommend these. I think these work good. My hair has definitely gotten longer as well. Right now my skin looks rough, but that is because it's that time. Girls, you know what I mean. But this retails for $9.20, and I believe I've seen these at like the drugstore and Walmart. I'm not sure where else you guys can get these. I'm sure you can get them online, but yeah, those are like the 2 places I've seen them. I've definitely seen them at Walmart. I think I've seen them at the drugstore. I can't remember, but these are really good. They taste really good, and I recommend them. The next thing I got in this box was this brand. I'm not sure how you like can pronounce, like how you pronounce it. I don't want to pronounce it wrong, but I did get like a little travel size of their Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser. It is a nourishing soap-free cleanser formulated with real Greek yogurt. This is also good for all skin types. I have been using this. You have to just be cautious with your eyes. Don't get this in your eyes, obviously. So I have been using this, and I think it's been working really good. And it's supposed to remove makeup. I'm trying to read what it says. Removes impurities, makeup, and mascara without irritating. Formulated with a soothing Greek yogurt and natural cleansing agent for excellent toleration by the eyes and skin. So I have been using this. I've never used a cleanser before, so my skin kind of did like break out like a little bit, but that also could have been from stress, my monthly friend coming, you know, me not like taking off all my makeup all the time. Like it could have been like a whole bunch of things, but I never got like an allergic reaction to it. And I have kind of like combination skin. Like I have areas where it's really dry and I have areas where it's really oily. So I definitely would recommend this. This is like a little pricey, I believe. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if it's like a little pricey or not. This is a 20 milliliter bottle, but for 150 milliliters, it is $26. So I'm trying to figure out if that's like a good deal or not. But I think this is something that I would definitely recommend to you guys, especially it has like a lot of healthy stuff in it. But yeah, this was another thing I have tried. And the last thing that I got was this, I'm gonna like butcher the name, and the company like did comment on my post that I posted on my Instagram, which you guys should follow. I will leave it in the comments in the description box down below. But it is this company right here. It is a charcoal clay facial mask. I have not used this yet. I'm trying to like wait for a good day to use it, which might be after the semester is over. I think I'm definitely going to be using this, but I hope it's not this. But this mask retails for $10. I will update you guys in the description box and in the comments and on my Instagram whether I liked this product, would recommend it to you, if it broke me out, all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the last one. So this company and the hair color company did comment on my post, which I thought were really sweet. They were really sweet to me. They said enjoy my products. which I am currently enjoying all these products. I'm praying that the next box I get is makeup related for you guys. This is like a lot of beauty, like skincare and stuff like that, which I really don't mind. I do enjoy getting these things and testing them out. But yeah, if you guys want a free box, all you guys have to do is download Influencer, make an account, stay active, review any product and every product that you've tried, and it could be good, it could be bad, it could be household items, it could be skincare, it could be hair care, it could be makeup, it could be dog stuff, baby stuff, gadgets, I think, like kitchen gadgets, video games. It could be anything that you guys enjoy doing, nail polish even, and you just have to stay active. I like to post a lot, like of my eye looks. I comment on like a lot of people's posts. I like a lot of people's posts. I review a lot of products. I answer my snaps when I get them on Influencer, and I am constantly checking my email because you will get a, oh god, the mail lady's coming up the stairs. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Dog's gonna bark. If you use this app, I would definitely recommend checking your emails constantly, because you'll get an email to do a post, like a pre-survey, and then normally a few days later you'll get qualified for a box. So if you don't answer that survey like soon, speaking of that, I should be checking my email soon, because I should be getting an email for a post box. Like I have to review like what I thought after I've used the box for a month and stuff. So I should be checking my email, because I kind of forgot about that. But yeah, I'm gonna hopefully be getting back into filming again. I'm very sorry that I have been very inactive, but if you follow me on my Instagram, I'm trying to stay active on that. But so much stuff has been coming up. School's been driving me crazy. It's almost over, almost summertime for me, so I'll be posting a lot more. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what types of eye looks or videos you want to see on my channel, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel to join the family, and turn that bell notification on so you never miss a new video like this one, and follow me on all my social media, which I will leave in the description box down below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!